Welcome to Benares Cyber Academy, where the traditional classroom meets the innovation of online learning. Imagine the possibilities as you step into a world where education knows no boundaries and your classroom is wherever you are. At BCA, we believe in the power of technology to transform lives. Whether you're at home, at a cafe, or on the go, our courses are designed to adapt to your lifestyle. Learn at your own pace, on your own terms, with expert guidance just a click away. Discover a range of courses crafted to elevate your skills and open doors to new opportunities. CCNA 1, Introduction to Networks. Begin your journey into the world of networking, where you'll learn to design, build, and manage networks that connect people and devices around the globe. Cybersecurity. Equip yourself with the knowledge to defend against the growing threats in the digital world. Learn how to protect data, secure systems, and ensure privacy in an increasingly connected world. Flutter and Dart language. Coming soon. Dive into the future of app development. Build beautiful, high-performance apps for iOS and Android with a single codebase. Artificial intelligence. Explore the cutting edge of technology. Understand the principles of AI and how it's shaping industries and the future. Windows Server. Gain hands-on experience in server management. Learn how to deploy, configure, and maintain Windows Server environments, essential for any IT professional. And don't forget to enroll in our free online Python course. The first 5 to enroll, share this video, and get their friends to join them will get the chance to receive another free course from our available offerings. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity. Your education, your way. Join us at BCA and take control of your future. Our doors are open and your journey to success starts here. Enroll today and turn your aspirations into achievements.